welcome back to Home with Lace. I'm Lace, and we're just gonna recap what last video was because it's been a while. We finally moved into our home and we're unpacking and cleaning, and let me just say that this is the dirtiest house I've ever been in, or at least cleaned. So we're gonna just unpack a little bit, and we're getting our washer and dryer together. And now for this week's video. So again, the house is pretty dirty still. We opened up the dishwasher. I don't know how we missed this during the walkthrough of the home, but when we opened it up, it was so grimy and dirty and just gross. We didn't even want to put our things in there, and it just didn't seem like there was any point of actually cleaning it because the dishwasher was like corroded, and we were just afraid that it was going to be leaking everywhere. So right now my husband is taking it apart and taking it out of the cavity, and we're going to install a new one. So now that we got that out of the way, we're just cleaning up the debris that was left over. That water is just from the water line being taken out. It didn't seem like there was any leaks or anything like that at this time, or at least, you know, that we could see. It looked like the dishwasher hasn't been used in a long time, so I guess that's a good thing. But let's get this cleaned up, and then we're gonna head out to the garage and grab the new dishwasher. So here's the new dishwasher. We're just unpacking it. This is a Bosch. We've lived in now 5 different houses, and out of the 5 we've done 3 kitchens, I believe, and so this is our 3rd Bosch that we bought. We really like it because it's nice and quiet and it cleans the dishes really well. We haven't had any issues with it, so I think we're just going to kind of continue to ride that wave.
But I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me.
So this video was recorded within a couple of days, I think maybe a week or so. But in this next clip, this is the new refrigerator that we unboxed in a previous video. And right now we're just kind of getting it ready to use. So we're going to unpack it fully, taking all the tape off of it and putting on the panels. This is the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator, and we chose to get white paneling.
Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me.
So we have the help of our family. This is Fernando and Rada, and they're gonna help take all the tape and the packaging off each individual drawer and shelf in the refrigerator. Alright, so now that we have all of the drawers put in and the shelves put in, now we're going to be putting in the paneling for the refrigerator. And so one of the features of the Samsung V-Stoke is that you're able to switch out the paneling on the outside to different colors. There's like pink and silver, black, and some other colors. And I chose white just because I knew that I wanted to have a white kitchen. And I just thought it was the most neutral and simplistic paneling choice. But, if ever in the future I wanted to change the color, I could do that. And I'm sure they'll be coming out with even more colors to choose from.
That all I want is looking down your phone. No. Spotlight, flowers. That all I want is looking down your phone. No. Spotlight, flowers. That all I want is looking down your phone. No. Spotlight, flowers. That all I want is.
So we're putting on the last panel, and one of the reasons that we picked out this refrigerator was because it was pretty similar to our previous refrigerator at our old house, which had the 4 panel doors and then the flex door at the bottom that you can make either into a freezer or a refrigerator. And so that's what really caught our eye with it. I will say that this refrigerator is a lot smaller than the one that we had, so that is definitely an adjustment that we've had to make. But overall, we seem to really enjoy it. So now that the refrigerator has time to cool, we went to the grocery store and got a few items. But this is what the inside of the fridge looks like. It is pretty spacious, and I do like the fact that it has different compartments. One thing though that it is missing, it's missing that, like, I don't know what it's called, like it was called a pantry drawer in our last refrigerator, but it's like where people put their cheese and their lunch meats and things like that. Some people put like snacks and stuff in there. It doesn't have one of those, and it would be so awesome if it did. But here I'm showing you the menu that you can go through to check on the temperature of each part of the refrigerator and to see like what filters and things like that need to be replaced. But here is the flex part of the refrigerator, so this can be either a freezer or a refrigerator. We opted to make it into a freezer. And then on this side, this is where the ice maker is. So it doesn't come out like through the top. It has this tray of ice. It has like regular sliced ice on the left side, and then on the right side they're like little mini ice cubes, which is pretty cute.
Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, nah, trip, oh, I flick.
So this is the door that opens. This is like the preview door. So this is where you would put like the grab and go snacks, and then this is also where the water jug is. And the cool thing about this is once you empty it out, you just put it back in the refrigerator empty, and once you close the door it will refill it. And next to the jug is where you would do like the normal water dispenser.
Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it.
Okay, so now we are headed upstairs. This is the soon-to-be nursery. I'm showing you guys the dirty floor and the like peachish, tannish, brownish walls, and we're gonna take all this out and paint the walls and put some type of trimming on the walls and just make it a really cute nursery. And you know, I have twin boys, so this time around I really wanted to go all out with the girly girls pink fluffy unicorn room.
So take me on a trip.
Alright, so we're starting off with taking off the trim because we're gonna add board and batten to this room. So I wanted to make the floor trim even bigger. So we're gonna take off the old trim. Haha, so I'm saying a lot of we, but you know, I mean like a singular we. It's mostly my husband doing all of this. At this point in the pregnancy, every time I did anything, my back would just kill. So I could work for like 20 minutes, and then after that I just needed to relax for like 10 minutes or so. Pregnancy is just a whirlwind, and I'm super thankful that he was able to get what was in my head out onto this room and get it done. So looking back, we really should have had the movers bring all of her furniture into the guest bedroom so we would have a nice blank area to work with. And here I am at 36 weeks and counting. So now that we got baby girl's room underway, we are going to stop at that for this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching and supporting my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel and helps me grow so I can make content like this for you guys. And don't forget to watch along, because next week's episode will be the continuation of her nursery and hopefully the reveal of the nursery. And yeah, so I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.